If you're working on fiber optic cable prep and slicing through tough materials like Kevlar, you'll want to stick around because this one's for you. Hey, Garrett here. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're spotlighting the Jonard TK-350 fiber stripper and Kevlar Shears kit, a compact go-anywhere solution for fiber jobs. Here are some key features that make the TK-350 a standout in the field. One tool fiber prep solution. It includes both a 3-hole fiber optic stripper and Kevlar cutting shears. Precision stripping range. The JIC-375 handles jackets from 1.6 to 3 millimeters, buffer coatings from 600 to 900 micron, and even 250 micron coatings to expose the 125 micron glass fiber. Rugged Kevlar cutting. The JIC-186 shears slice through Kevlar, cable insulation, tape, and cable ties effortlessly. Protection and portability. All tools come stored in a rugged, molded 2-pocket pouch with a metal belt clip for quick and easy access. So there you have it. The TK-350 is a compact powerhouse kit for fiber prep. Whether you're in the field or the shop, it's built to strip cleanly, cut tough materials, and stay ready at your side. If you're a fiber technician looking for reliable, efficient gear, give the TK-350 a look. And if you already have it, let us know what you think in the comments. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.